Hello everybody, this is Ahmed Ayman, student at Faculty of Engineering and the founder of the project Mr. Enzyme. So let's talk about our project briefly. So in this picture, what do you see? You see a group of detergents and surfactants, a group of surfactants that can be used in any household. But what is the main problem of these detergents? What is the common side effect or downside between the detergents? We will answer this question in a while, but let's firstly talk about energy. The world now is concerned about the problem of energy conservation or preservation, or implementing new ways of finding new sources of energy, such as solar panels and using the wind to generate energy. But actually these ways or these methods are very costly, needs a lot of space and a lot of time to develop and found it. So why nobody thinks about saving the already used energy? That's a problem we're talking about here. So back to our detergents problem. Let's see firstly the consumption of detergents worldwide. We will see that in China and America they use huge amounts of detergents. And here is the chart showing the detergent constituents. We will find that the petrochemicals gives 49% of the detergent's constituents. So that's a huge amount and a huge percentage. So actually the detergents here found to consume a lot of petrochemicals, consume a lot of energy and a lot of time. So what exactly is the solution? The solution is not rocket science. It's not something very hard to find, but it is the effective microorganisms, which is the basic or the main theme of our project. So what exactly is the effective microorganisms? It's actually a group of useful bacteria, basically lactic acid, yeast, and synthetic bacteria, which are all kept inactive till usage and used in specific proportions. So we can use the effective microorganisms instead of the harmful detergents. This small video will show you how the EM or the effective microorganism can be used in households.
EM is also effective in removing stains and odors. The organic acids in EM neutralize components such as ammonia. Moreover, both EM bacteria and the enzymes they produce will decompose the root chemicals of odors and stains, keeping rooms free of foul smells and preventing dust and dirt from accumulating.
So now let's hold a small comparison between the EM and the detergents. We'll find the cost of production, process and storage of detergents is very high in comparison to the EM. On the environmental aspect and the environmental preservation, we find that the EM is very eco-friendly. It's actually GMO free, it's intoxic, and also it enhances some ecosystem mediums such as the marine life. Also it can enhance and enrich the soil used for agriculture, unlike the detergents that can actually make a very bad problem for the marine life and the ecosystem in general, because they can form stable foams in rivers that can extend for hundreds of years. So let's talk about the economical side. For the EM, we can use it in a ratio 1 to 100 liters in comparison to detergents that can be used only 2 to 3 liters on dilution with water. And here's our business model. We will be competing with the market competitors, the big industrial companies such as P&G and Unilever. So this is our humble team. As we can see, Cut, cut.